Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you get your money back on Pandabuy. So for some reason, if you're not happy with your Pandabuy purchase or your product and you wish to get your money back, and what you can do, you can simply request for a you can simply cancel and request a refund from Pandabuy and get your money back. So you just have to initiate a refund request. So to do that, firstly, what you can do, you can go to your Pandabuy account and log into your account. Once I've logged into your account, so click on your orders tab here. So click on your orders tab here, and if your order has not actually, if you want to get your money back from an order that you just placed, but you haven't received it yet, so it's much easier. So what you can do, you can simply select the item here. You can see, for example, this item here, I've placed the order but I've not received it yet, but I don't want this anymore, I want my money back. So all I have to do is just cancel this order. So select the order and hit on cancel order. Okay, and then select the reason for cancellation. So you can just select the reason and then hit on confirm. So when you hit on confirm, so what happens is that your order will be cancelled and your refund will be issued instantly. So for whatever your refund will be issued to your original payment method, whatever that you selected to pay with it. All right. So that's an instant option. That's instant method. You can straight away get it if you have placed the order. But if you have already received the order, then what happens is that you can still request for a refund to get your money back, but you can only get your money back once you return the item, once you physically return the item, and once Pandabuy receive the item and does their QC and checks and all those things. So you need to allow around mostly around 10 business days in that case. So that's pretty much it is. So that's how you can claim your money back through refunds.